Look at the lovely coconut trees. Think about so much. I'm gonna pick up. Size बराबर है ना?
Size सही है.
Good morning. This is the next day in Goa and I'm here to have some South Indian breakfast. This is the masala dosa. Chutney. Yum yum. Coconut chutney, fresh. Gotta try everything. Chutney. Paper dosa. Get this. So crispy. Lovely tea. Milky and strong. You know what I'm saying? I love the chutney so much I finished the entire bowl. So he's given me a refill. The flavors over here are more towards the western palate. They're more mild, not very spicy. So let's get done with the dosa and get out of here and do some more exploring in Goa. I finally got this. I had to look around for it in the market. Lots of super bikes here right now in Goa because of the India Bike Week. I'll be going there tomorrow. Tickets are booked. But today I have to get some work done related to bike maintenance. I've got this. I'm going to go to a petrol pump, get some diesel filled because I really need to take care of the chain. It's very dry and dusty. I'm going to be using this to get the chain all cleaned up, nice. And then I'm going to lube it. It's going to be ready to go. Wow, Africa Twin. Lots of super bikes in Goa right now because of the India Bike Week. Now let's get to the petrol pump and get some diesel filled in this. मुझे डीजल चाहिए आधा लीटर. Diesel. We got half a liter of diesel. Let's go back to the hotel and start working on a chain. Just see, it is so dry and it is full of mud. Fluorescent green in color. Nice. This will go inside my bag. Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy to do all this. Not easy at all. Motorcycling travel is one of the toughest ways to get around. Only because you have to think about so much. That's why I'm saying it's not easy. My GoPro just fell down from my helmet. I don't know, that shouldn't have happened. Maybe I didn't put it inside properly. It just took a beating, but it's alright, it's fine. Couple of scratches here and there on the media mod, but the GoPro seems okay. When these things are built up, it's okay. Give it a nice shake to see if it doesn't come off. Another lesson learned. Let's go to a hotel now. And so many lanes that you can explore. That's what I love. Beautiful. Is there a way to the hotel from here? We've come to the end of the road. Let's turn back. The bike is stuttering like that. That's because the chain is in a very bad shape. Harleys. No, it's an Indian. I'm not going above 40 because I'm really concerned about the chain. The hotel is only 2.5 kilometers from here. I love to see a clean chain. Bike is in a very dirty condition, but the bike wash is so expensive over here that I don't think it's worth it. 170 for a bike wash. Back to Anjuna. I'll quickly show you guys what the view is like of the sea from here. The sea is very nearby. I'll take you there. I'm going to pick up. That guy just cut me off. See the sea. Let's start working on the chain. Should be enough. Amount of dirt coming out. Look at this. As good as new. कैसे लग रहा है यार?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा लग रहा है?
हाँ,
साइज बराबर है ना?
सही सही है।
और कलर भी अच्छा लग रहा है? ठीक. How's it looking? And one more. ये अभी थोड़ा सा टाइट लग रहा है.
शर्ट के ऊपर से शर्ट पहना है ना
हाँ।
भाई, ये बंद हो गया है।
नहीं वो चालू है इससे स्क्रीन बंद हो गया.
हाँ।
थैंक यू. आपका क्या नाम है दीदी?
भूमिका।
Approaching sunset on the beach right now in Anjuna, dotted with cafes, bars and restaurants. You have to be careful. There are some beer bottles over here, pieces of glass, water. Lovely. Jump. Hoo-yah. Small fish everywhere. Crabs. Say hello to this one. Look at the lovely coconut trees. Goa has so much to offer. It's got beaches, it's got party places, it's got places where you can chill, it's got places where you can swim. Goa has it all. Look at the lovely coconut trees. There's a little bit for everyone.